Hi, it's me.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Hello, it's me.
And me. Hello.
Today's video is a maintenance video, maintenance of our dubia roach colony. So I'm retouching on this side, and he is the maintenance guy. Like a pool guy, but maintenance guy. So we keep them in IKEA, our IKEA bins samla. Can actually show. Yep. And it's actually very practical and easy. But we're gonna move them to the smaller bin first, clean the bigger one, and then change the egg trays and put them back again.
And to keep the lids down, we're using Samla clips, I guess you can call them.
Yeah. You can demonstrate how it...
6, 3 and 1 gallons, or 22, 11 or 5 liters.
Yes, and this is the one, and when you put a lid on, you put it from the side and just click it on. Can you see that now? Yes. So it's very practical.
Jellos.
Jellos, they actually really love jellos. They love jellos, potatoes, carrots, fish food. What do we give them more? They actually occasionally eat sausage.
Sausages.
Sausages, yeah. The soft, like mortadella or something. Maybe you leave it here. We never know if there is one or two. Oh, this one I wanted from my hamster.
Okay. Okay.
It's in your house.
This one is pretty okay. Still not too moldy.
But you have to
cut off a piece.
Yeah, you can actually have small pieces. Still use the small pieces. As long as they can hide and have fun, so why not?
Like so. I'm going to throw this piece away, like so. And we'll
You can
just
make small pieces, so it will be like a, you know.
take this off. And there's the dubia family, yes.
Oh wow, look how they had it. Oh.
There's only a few adults left.
Yeah.
5 or 6 or something.
We have more females than males, but that's good.
Eventually we'll be getting another one of these bigger boxes.
For roaches, yeah.
Yes, for roaches. There's the lucky guy.
And we wanna kinda make a huge colony for our animals so we can feed. Because the dubias do grow very slow. Oh.
So I'll be guessing these big ones here are probably 1 year old. Would be my guess. Do you have a brush? Do we have a brush? Do we own a brush?
Of course we do.
Would you mind getting it for me?
You flick them off with this and with this.
Så, det är inte.
So now when we empty this and clean the mold egg trays and the dirty egg trays and all the...
And they love orange.
Oh yeah, they love orange, that's true. I know she was...
Yummy.